Good morning, my dear students. You know, all the people of the world are very frustrated for spreading coronavirus. So, such kind of class, that means online class, is very essential for the day. You are perhaps you are all well with the family members of yours. Some days ago, I have teach you about a lesson. Today, I am going to teach you another lesson. You know, English is very essential subject for us to gain knowledge in many causes. For many causes, English is very essential nowadays. So, we are eagerly waiting to get teaching such kind of subject. Let us, on behalf of Bagrat Sadar Online School, I, Mr. B.P. Kumar, Assistant Head Teacher of BSc High School, my thanks to you all. Let us discuss our next matter. Today, I am going to teach you about English first paper 9 and 10, lesson 3, unit 2. Lesson 3, unit 2. You all open your book and another instrument that are very essential to gain knowledge in English. Events and festival. After completing the lesson, you will able to learn, talk about the events and festivals. Next, you will able to ask answer questions and give opinions in a logical sequence. So, you all open your book and another instruments. Let us discuss about the next matter. You know, English prevails nowadays all over the world for many reasons. There are many national and international events that are observed with great emphasis. There are some days such as 21st February, 16 December, and today we are going to discuss about May Day. May Day. You all write and open your book. May Day. First, what you should do to gain knowledge from such kind of lesson. First, I here write 5 short questions. You try your best to understand the meaning of the question, and you all will be ready with another instrument such as khata, pen, and another instrument, book, etc. and so on. First, I read out the question and you try your best to understand the meaning. Then you take a step to answer the question. What does May Day refer to? What does May Day refer to? How long, number B, how long did the workers have to work a day before the May Day first strike? Before the May Day first strike. Number C, how many workers were victimized for taking part the strike? Number D, why did the workers in Chicago go on a strike? Next, what do you learn from the events of May Day, May 1st, 1886? I read out the question and next I am going to read the passage. You all, my hope is to you all be very attentive to hear my reading, because there are 4 skills if any student wants to gain knowledge in English. Listen, there are listening, speaking, reading and writing. So, listening is the most important matter among the 4. So, you all be very attentive to listen and try to understand the Bengali meaning as we are the children, as we are the students of Bangladeshi. So, sometimes it may be very hard for us to understand or to write the answer sometime. But if we are be very attentive to learn or to listen, we must be able to say something about anything, any matters. We will be able to write about any things, any matters, any events. We will be able. Next, now I will read the passage and you all be very attentive to listen. After completing to listen, you try your best to write the answer. There are 5 questions and already I have read out the question. Next, again I will repeat it. So before answering, you all listen and try to find out the answer. May Day or International Workers' Day is observed on May 1st all over the world today to commemorate the historical struggle and sacrifices of the working people to establish an 8-hour workday. It is a public holiday in almost all the countries of the world. Since the Industrial Revolution first in the 18th and 19th centuries in Europe and the US, the workers in mills and factories had been working a long shift, 14 or even more hours a day. On May 1st in 1886, inspired by the trade unions too, half of the workers at the MC Comic Harvest Company in Chicago went on strike demanding an 8-hour work day. Today, 2 days later, a workers' rally was held near the MC Comic Harvest Company, and about 6,000 had joined it. The rally was addressed by the labor leaders. They urged the workers to stand together, to go on with their struggle and not to give in to their bosses. Just at this moment, some strikebreakers started leaving the meeting place. The strikers went down the street to ordering them back. Suddenly, about 200 policemen attacked them with clubs and revolvers. One striker was killed instantly. 5 or 6 others were seriously wounded, and many of them were badly injured. The events of May 1st, 1886 is a reminder, Sharok, that workers will continue to be exploited until they stand up and speak out to gain better working condition, better pay, and better lives. End of my reading. Perhaps you all are able to understand the Bengali meaning, and now you all try to write these 5 questions. I will, in this case, to write the answer, I will help you. First question is to, what does May Day refer to? What does May Day refer to? May 1st বলতে কি উল্লেখ করছে? In this way, we can write the answer. Correct answer. May Day refers to May 1st. May Day refers to May 1st in 1886, when the workers laid down their lives to establish an 8-hour work day. This is the answer, best answer. So, you all, after hearing my answer, and you also try to answer the question in your own way or using by yourself. Next, let us we go on. Next question, how long did the workers have to work? A day before May Day first strike in 1886 এর পূর্বে, এই সেই হরতাল এর পূর্বে কত সময় ধরে কাজ করতে হতো মিলস অ্যান্ড ফ্যাক্টরিতে? কত দীর্ঘ সময় ধরে চলে গেছে, চলতে হতো? হাউ লং? ওয়ার্ক বিফোর, in this way we can take a step to answer the question. Before the May 1st strike, the workers had to work in mills and factories. Mills and factories 14 hours or even more a day, or even more a day. Next, again I repeat, before before the May 1st strike, the workers had to work in a mills and factories 14 hours or even more in a day. Next, number 3, how many workers were victimized for taking part the strike? How many workers? কত ওয়ার্কার্স ভিক্টিমাইজড, নির্যাতিত, ভিক্টিমাইজড হয়েছিল? We know if we are be very attentive to listen or at the time of reading the passage, easily we will be able to write this question correctly. Out of the workers taking part in this way, we can write the correct answer. Out of the workers taking part in the strike, one was killed instantly. 5 or 6 were seriously wounded. 5 or 6 were seriously wounded, and many of them were badly injured. Many of them were badly injured. This is the right answer. Next, number D. Why did the workers in Chicago go on a strike? This question is very easy. We know workers in Chicago went on a strike to establish 8-hour work day. 8 hours work day. This is the right answer. Next, last of all, what do you learn from the events of May 1st, 1886? What do you, that means what do we learn? আমরা কি শিখলাম from the event of May Day? This is very important question. This is very important, and this lesson is also very important for the final examination. So this is a moral. If we are able to give or to write the answer, what do you or we learn from the events? এই ঘটনা থেকে, মে 1st ঘটনা থেকে আমরা কি শিক্ষা লাভ করলাম? This is nowadays to maintain social distance is very essential for us, and we know all we are passing a very critical moment, very critical matter moment. The critical matter is known. Coronavirus has spreading among the people of the world, all the people. So we are very serious. We should be very serious about this kind of disease. So you and others members of yours family maintain, and others maintain the social distance, and you as a students, your first and foremost duty is to study, is to learn, and to show respect your superiors and others. Now this is the end of my class. Thank you all. Next.